the look that I have created from all the products that I got from Blinkit under only 2000 rupees. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bunny Shekha. I quickly bought some makeup products from Blinkit. I mean, I was searching कि like कहाँ से अच्छे makeup products मिल सकते हैं. I mean, I bought a lot of makeup products offline and from Nykaa, but I was searching कि like Blinkit में कितना अच्छा makeup products हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है, and I had a budget restraint as well. So under 2000, I bought a full face makeup with the first one, which is the primer. I was searching for a good primer for a long time, and I had a primer which is from Blue Heaven, and it was very old, and I was not using any proper primer for any of my makeups. I used to use Makeup Fixer but not a good primer. So I was searching for a primer. So there was a lot of different primer available in the Blinkit, but my challenge was, under 2000. But I didn't want to compromise on the primer because I don't have any primer. It's Mart's Gripping Primer, which costed me 360, and you know how famous this one is. The packaging is so chic, so beautiful. I mean, look at it. I mean, the packaging, the whole structure, the whole thing is looking so premium, and you know how famous is this one because like once you use this primer, it grips like anything, and hence I bought this one. It was a little bit expensive because the budget was 2000 के अंदर ही मेरे को सारा full face makeup खरीदना था. So this थोड़ा सा 360 expensive हो गया, but I think it is worth it because this primer gonna go for a long term. So I bought this thinking about the long term, and this is also the best one available in the market currently, because if you are going for any primer, I would suggest go for this one. This is the best. Moving on to the next is a good foundation. So I was searching for a good foundation, and all of the foundation was so costly and so expensive. So I also wanted to have something a good quality, like searching for Maybelline or Fit Me foundation, something like that. Then I found this product. You all know that Superstay Maybelline foundation is so famous right now, but have you seen the miniature of it? This costed me $399. Let me tell you, this is the most expensive one from all the lot. $399 के ऊपर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं, ये सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है जो भी मैंने खरीदा है उसमें से. And can you believe this just comes under in one palm? I know quantity कम है, मतलब छोटा वाला पैकेज है, and 399 है, मतलब almost like 400. But if you think about the bigger, it's 650 or more than 600, something like that. This is such a great one for travel, I would say. Otherwise, if you want to invest in a good foundation, then go for bigger bottles, because no matter the price, it will be long lasting. Don't go for small size. So if you're not a foundation girl like me and don't apply foundation every time you do makeup, and foundation is not like everyday in use for you, then don't invest in big foundation because it's gonna get wasted. You can invest in small foundations, small packaging like this. I applied this one, it got so good. I mean, it just mixed with my skin and it was so comfortable. I was not sure which one is my shade, but this shade 128 is so good. It just mixed with my skin, and I love this foundation because it has SPF as well. It's not just only foundation. This is so lightweight. ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैंने foundation लगाया है, but फिर भी the proper glow, the proper clean and glowy look वो दे रहा था. Next up is concealer, which is from Swiss Beauty, and this is this one. I bought the shade 90 and it costed me 200 ऐसा ही कुछ पड़ा था. This shade is absolutely similar to what I use, my shade, and it is so good. The consistency is so good. It blends so easily as well, and पूरा skin के साथ it covers all the under eyes, डार्क सर्कल्स एंड जो भी स्पॉट्स है वो भी. तो दिस कंसीलर इज अ गुड कंसीलर. यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड कंसीलर इन बजट, then you can go for this because it just comes under 200 and it is a great one. Moving on to a compact. So I wanted also to buy a compact because last my compact was from Nykaa and previously मैंने लिया था Lakme से. Lakme वाला तो टूट चुका है पूरा, बहुत ही ख़राब सिचुएशन है, एंड जो Nykaa वाला कॉम्पैक्ट है वो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ख़त्म होने का सिचुएशन में है. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव अ कॉम्पैक्ट एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव समथिंग विच कैन स्टे लॉन्ग. I don't have to like buy compact so frequently. I mean it's just no point, it can go longer. So I wanted to have something like that and I found on Faces Canada. It costed me 159. I mean 160 में मेरे को इतना अच्छा एक compact मिला है. Why I'm saying this इतना अच्छा? Because I'm going to show you the packaging. This, I mean, doesn't it look so premium? बहुत ही प्रीमियम वाला मैट फिनिश्ड कॉम्पैक्ट है अपनी स्किन टोन में, एंड दिस इज सो गुड. बाकी if I see other compact I have bought Nykaa, Lakme, all costed more than 200 and it was like I was so regretting why I didn't buy this one earlier. Why I spent so much on a compact when इतना अच्छा मेरे को मिल रहा है 159 में. Let me show. चपर बहुत ज़्यादा कर लिया. Let me show you the inside. This, it opens like this. You just literally can do the ASMR. Premium, and it has puff, it has written as F, Faces Canada, it has puff, and when I applied this, let me tell you, it was so good. It mattifies all the blemishes and just seamlessly transfers into my skin. It was so good. The packaging is so good and premium. देखा, I told you can do an ASMR video with this one. Next for the blush, I was searching for a good pigmented blush and I got this one. It costed me 225. This is from the brand Mila Beauty. I actually don't know about this brand much, but I was seeing they have a very good collection. There were other good brands as well, like Fay Beauty. It was all very expensive, and initially I told you the budget was under 2000, so I had to make it under 2000, and I didn't wanted to invest so much, like 300, 400 or 500, 700 for a blush. So I bought this one and I was not sure how it will turn out. In the shade Peach Soda. Look at the blush. The most amazing packaging and classified and premium packaging have you ever seen? I haven't seen. Like, they just killed it. It opens like this, and this whole packaging is so like, I was so obsessed with it. See how I have applied it and it is so pigmented. I just give one stroke and it was so pigmented. I mean, I told you, all these products that I have brought, you can literally do ASMR video with this big name. Next, the eyeshadow palette that I got, this is from Swiss Beauty and it is this one, and it costed me 195. I mean 200 के अंदर मुझे इतना खूबसूरत eyeshadow palette मिला. Actually was searching for some very minimal eyeshadow palette which has those colors which I don't have, because I don't like to invest so much in makeup. I had anything like glittery shadows, especially in silver, so I was searching and मुझे ये वाला मिला. यहाँ पे actually मेरे को जो color दिखा है, like it has silver, it has silver glitter basically, and then pink glitter and purple glitter. I'm not sure how it will turn out, but look at this. Let me show you. It again opens like this. It is so premium. You again can do the ASMR sound effect with that sweet voice when I close the lid. I mean, this is so good. So I applied for this look, I applied this pink one. It is so pigmented. It just gives that natural glowy effect, and then in the middle also I applied the glitter. My eyes right now, it is giving that pop night look. I mean, this is such a super premium eyeshadow palette that I got only under 200. I cannot believe that, and I have created this eye makeup. It is plus 10 for me. So I have finished all of my eyeliner pen. There is no eyeliner pen, and eyeliner pen works so well. It's works so easy than the normal eyeliner. It takes time. I bought this one and it costed me 177, and this is from Blue Heaven. This is I bought previously as well. बहुत पहले मैंने ये खरीदा था, and उसके बाद मैंने different brands की eyeliner pen use किया है बीच में, and again I came back to this one because somehow this one makes the work done so efficiently, and you can see कितना अच्छे से मेरा ये eyeliner, दोनों eyeliner अच्छे से कितना मतलब हुआ है, and it's giving that matte finish, is not coming off as well, and it just creates, once it dries up, it creates that matte black effect also. A very good eyeliner pen, I would say. So if you are searching, this is my second time buy as well, and I don't regret buying eyeliner pen from the brand Blue Heaven. If you want to invest something like this, then I would say go for this brand Blue Heaven. Next up is mascara, and this one is the lowest of all because it just cost me 80 rupees, and it is from Blue Heaven again. This is a very small pocket mascara which has volumizing 10x, and I was not sure I should buy this one or not, but I want to complete my full makeup look, so I bought a mascara. I have other mascara, it's not like I need a mascara, but I still bought it. So it's just 89 rupees, so I want to give a trial and review it how it is at 89. And so when I open the packaging, it comes like this. So this is very small, the applicator is very small, and when I applied it, the applicator is very hard. I mean, it does not create much volumizing as it says. So if you're comparing Maybelline mascaras which has different like Superstay, Bubble, or Colossal Maybelline, and comparing this mascara, then obviously it will fail because all those mascaras are expensive because they're good, they give you that look, but if you can see, this mascara doesn't do its work. I mean, if you don't want to invest much, then you can go for this. It's also easy to carry, but उतना ज़्यादा volume, उतना ज़्यादा mascara look नहीं देगा with this one. So last to complete the look is the lipstick. Obviously, how can I forget a lipstick? I got this one from Mars, shade Bollywood Surprise. Now they have launched this shade which has a different Bollywood names. All the colors have different Bollywood names and Bollywood theme wala lipstick, and I really loved them. So I wanted to have something very dark and brown or nude brown shade I wanted to have, so I bought this one, and it costed me 190, and it looks like this. I mean, 190 mein itna acha lipstick, you can see already wearing it, and it is so good. I mean, बहुत matte look hai, it is not coming out, it's proper matte, and I love the color. It is so giving and so amazing. Thoda neutral brown tone mixed hai. They have a lot of good collection, so if you want to buy a good lipstick, matte lipstick, then you should check this collection. That's it guys, that's the end of today's video, and I show you what makeup I bought from Blinkit, and all under just 2000 rupees, and I created this whole look with using all of the product that I bought. I have my honest review, and I can say that you can buy your makeup products from Blinkit because it's as good as buying from Nykaa. You are getting it in 5 minutes, so why not? Let me know in the comment section which product from the haul I have shown you is your favorite and you found it the most interesting one, and you will go and buy right now. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable.